Well, we just got home. Now I'm going to get Heidi, and we're gonna let you see how it is. Come with me. I'll show you what this part's like. Watch this. Heidi, where's Tristan? Where's Tristan? She doesn't even think twice about me. Dad! Heidi! Hello! Oh! Careful. How are you doing? Kind of excited right now. Alright. Well, she's not usually that tame. Because she must have been sleeping or something. Anyways, bye.